All right, second graders, happy Friday. Today, instead of doing a review and new material and a dictation, you're just doing a dictation because today you're going to take the 9th proficiency test in PAF. Okay, so you should have a blue piece of paper that looks just like this one. It was in that big Ziploc bag that I dropped off at your house. So that's what you're going to be writing on today. Okay, and as I looked at this scanned one that I have here on my screen, I noticed it was really blurry. So I enlarged just this top part where you're going to write words so that I can help you keep track of which space we're on. So in each space, you're going to write a word. I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to use it in a sentence so that you know what the word is. And then I'm going to say the word again and tap it out. Okay? And then you write the word here. And if you need to pause because maybe you want to try it a few different ways to figure out which one is the right spelling, that's okay. It is a test, so that means that we can't ask mom or dad to help us, like, hey, which long A is it? We can't ask. We can't go look at the visual aid posters or look at a book that you might have at home. It's just, I want to see what your brain has kind of memorized so far. Okay, this will help me to judge, should we move on to new stuff or should we keep working on long vowel spelling patterns as we proceed, okay? So here we go. And you can push pause after each word. So if I'm going faster than you can write, I probably will be going faster than you can write. So you can pause after each word and then resume, and I'll go on to the next word. All right, here we go. Number 1, stay. Right now, we have to stay at home. Stay. Number 2, ugly. The girl thought the sweater that her grandma gave her was quite ugly. Ugly. Number 3, keep. What have you been doing to keep yourself busy? Keep. Keep. Number 4, tiny. The cabin was really tiny. 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 Number 5, mail. She was expecting a card from her grandma in the mail. 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 Number 6, luck. They say it's good luck to find a penny on the ground. Luck. Luck. Number 7, airplane. She rode on an airplane to Florida. Airplane. It's a compound where the first word is air. Air. And the second word is plane. Airplane. Number 8, painter. The painter got paint all over his shirt. Painter. Base word paint. Paint. And which suffix is the doer suffix? Someone who paints is a painter. Number 9, boating. We can hardly wait to start boating this summer. Boating. Base word boat. B-O-T. And it's the doing suffix. It's something that we're doing. Boating. Number 10, brightest. What is the brightest star in the night sky? Brightest. Base word bright. B-R-I-T. Bright. And then which suffix means the most? The most bright. The brightest. Number 11, rained. It rained on her wedding day. Rained. Base word rain, rain. And it's past tense, it rained, which is the past tense suffix, it rained. And number 12, slowly. You should walk slowly as you get close to the street. Slowly. Base word slow, slow. And then which suffix is the adverb suffix that tells how you should do something? Slowly. All right, and now down on these lines, and they don't have midlines, I noticed, so just do your best. Try to imagine where I said midline, now we call it belt line. Just imagine where the belt line would be as you're trying to think when you write in cursive. Go up to the belt line, down, okay? So if you start a sentence, and let's pretend the first sentence only goes to like right here. You can put number 2 right next to that and keep going on the same line so that you don't run out of space, okay? So the first sentence, I'm going to say the sentence once, and then I'm going to say the sentence again, and you should try to say it with me the second time. Remember how at school you would say it with me so that it was like clicked in your mind? And then at the end, I'm going to say it a third time, and when I say it that third time, you should try to touch each word as I say it so that you can make sure you didn't miss any words. And if you need to, you know, at school sometimes you raise your hand and you say, Mrs. Kane, what was the second part? If you need to, you can back the video up a little bit so that you can hear the sentence again so that you can make sure you get all these words. Okay, the first sentence is, does this pretty tree only grow along the coast? Does this pretty tree only grow along the coast? Okay, now touch each word and make sure you wrote all of them. So I didn't give you much time, so you were supposed to pause, okay? Now let's check to make sure you have all the words. Does this pretty tree only grow along the coast? Think, what does that sentence end with? What should the end mark be? Number 2, again, I'm going to say the sentence, and then I'm going to say it again, and you should say it with me, and then start writing. And if you forget part, just back it up and listen again. And then when you're finished, play the video again and touch each word. So number 2 is, should we meet across from the snack bar? Should we meet across from the snack bar? Okay, touch each word. Make sure you wrote each word. Should we meet across from the snack bar? And then what should that sentence end with? What kind of end mark? And the third sentence is, maybe I can sleep over again on Friday night. Maybe I can sleep over again on Friday night. Okay, touch each word, make sure you have them all. Maybe I can sleep over again on Friday night. Okay, ask yourself, did you capitalize all the right words? Do you have the end marks where they should be? And when you think that your test is at the best you can possibly do, you're ready to submit it. So you can ask mom or dad to take a picture and then send it to me in your email. All right? Good job, second graders.